Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can download MovieBox on your Windows 11 PC. So it's actually very easy. I will show you two steps on how you can download it. The first step is very easy. You need to have an emulator. So what you can do is just download an emulator like this. I have this one right over here, which is called MoviePlayer, and you can run your Android device on it just like this. And once you boot it up, and once it boots up, you can just simply go to movie store, and right over here you can search for MovieBox. So if I go ahead and search for MovieBox right over here, I'll find MovieBox. You gotta search in Google Play, and right over here we go, we got MovieBox, and you can just directly install it on your emulator. Now you can use different emulators like BlueStacks, and you can also download MovieBox from Microsoft Store. So this is the easiest way. Just simply download it from Microsoft Store. If you don't want any emulator, just simply press on download and you're good to go. And yeah, this is basically it on how you can download MovieBox on your Windows 11 PC. I hope this really helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.